Do you want to know how I created this typewriter effect in the Atom editor? This is a very useful effect to create educational presentations and videos. The unique selling point of the procedure I am going to describe is that it does not require any plugins or softwares. Let me describe the process. To emulate the typewriter effect, start by opening the Atom editor's preference. Scroll down and find the File Watcher System setting and change it to Experimental File System Watching Library. This setting will reload the file automatically whenever we change a file's content using an external source. Now, create a bash script named type.sh. I will start by storing a dummy Python code for demonstration. Next, specify the output file name for the Python code. To create the effect, clear any existing text in the file. Then, iterate over each character of the stored Python code and append it to the output file one character at a time at an interval of 0.3 seconds. Note that, depending on your processor's specification, you may need to adjust the sleep time to get a smoother effect. Finally, save this file in the current working directory. Let's initiate the typewriter effect. For this, open a terminal window and execute the bash script by typing bash space type.sh. To watch the typewriter effect in action, open the dummy.py file in the Atom editor. Now, sit and enjoy the typewriter effect. If you are recording this effect for a video, you can also add a typing soundtrack like I did to create a more realistic experience. These sound effects are freely available at pixabay.com.